so we got that done. X's here. And these kind of sucks. These will get screwed on over there, and all the spaces I have an X in, so from here to here, I'm gonna notch out so my 1x4 can sit in there. So I'm gonna notch those out just with a skill saw and just keep cutting it away. It's gonna take me a little bit to do, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll just do that, and then I'll come back here, and then we'll glue it on there and screw it. Glue it, we'll put some PL 400 on there again and put some screws in there also. So let's do that. I got my saw cut set to cut this thickness. Now I'm just gonna cut wherever my X's are here. That needs to go. I have them all like this, and they're gonna clamp on there. So my boards won't move. I just do them all at once instead of all at a different intensity. This is gonna take forever. There's gotta be a better way to do it. If there is, let me know. Next time I'll probably do it a different way. But let's finish. Alright, so we got that done. This was all notched out. I might just take a file or something and clean it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna screw them on there, some PL 400. And then that. So I got those screwed on there and glued. Just where my 1x4s will sit in here, then we'll slide around. I was gonna just put this an inch lower or whatever and screw it on there, and then I was gonna bolt these down there, but then there's like, I decided to do this. They're not bolted, and they won't be bolted down, and they won't be able to move, and I think they're not gonna come up with the mattress on there. So yeah, so that'll be just fine. Got it there, there, and over there. So now I'm just gonna cut these boards and have some nice small pieces. I'll find something to do with one day. Okay, so it's kind of an idea of what it'll be. And obviously my backboard, headboard is gonna have boards in there yet, so yeah. So that'll be it for this one. The next video will probably be me staining it and then the end product. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Have a good day.